Hey guys, I'd like to show you a couple examples from your work from yesterday. I'm first going to show you a bad example of somebody who did not earn any credit, and then a good example of somebody who earned full credit on their orientation of space and time worksheet based on the reading of Dionysius. So this first person, like we said, did not even achieve a 60. They did not get anything that they needed to. This was graded on criterion A here, which is knowledge and use of vocabulary. And so this person, right, did not even use basic vocabulary or concepts to describe, explain, or exemplify their knowledge. So, right, like we said, this first person here, right, will get a 0 out of 100 on their score. So first, right, they don't follow instructions, they don't put a topic or a title. In their question to where is this person, right, they do say in Michoacan, however, they don't use location, they don't use exact, they don't use relative, right, they don't really describe anything in place, they just said a volcano, a man, her wife, and children. Yes, that's true, however, again, not using any of the vocabulary. What is the human environment interaction of this person? The senses, I'm not sure what that means. What is the movement? Evacuate. Yes, they evacuate. However, I'm looking for a more specific example there. You'll see a better example in the next one. Time period. Yeah, again, they had that correct. Technology, trading. Again, they don't explain anything here. I'm not really sure what that means. What rules do they follow that they evacuated because something can happen to you? Again, not really sure what that means. And then finally here, right, in their analysis where they're supposed to write a first-person perspective, they write one sentence about a volcano and his family. So again, lacking, right? So that would achieve a 0. Okay. On this next one, right, this person, like we said, is going to achieve full credit, right? They're going to get 100 because they use a lot of great vocabulary that explain all of their things. So they say Dionysius is, so, well, first they include a title, which is nice. Then they say Dionysius' location is in the black earthen fields of Michoacan. This is relative, right, since it could be anywhere near Michoacan, right? They don't give an exact location. Boom, awesome example there. Right, human characteristics would be the town and church. Physical characteristics would be the volcano, the fields, etc. Right, so awesome example there. Right, human environment interaction is that they're able to change the look of the cornfields, right? They make rows so that they can drop seeds and they can grow. Again, how this human is interacting with their environment. Movement, right, with that they move their goods and sell the corn in the state of Guanajuato. Right, remember it's grown in Michoacan and they move those goods, the corn, to Guanajuato. Right, so awesome example. The year 1945, when a volcano was born in Michoacan. Right, Dionysius, right, so he, right, uses a horse to travel, right, so this is about technology, right, they use the oxen to help in the cornfield. These are technology because they have tools that they use on the horses and oxen, right, so again, explaining their answer, right, really what we're looking for, that's good there. And then finally, what rules does this person follow and what are their values? Right, so they follow the rules of the state of Michoacan, right, and that they seem like respectful, loyal, and caring people that kind of put their family first. Then this person goes on to explain in a really good journal entry what happened, right, from the perspective of Dionysius. I'm not going to read this all to you guys, so you guys I'll attach this for you so you can kind of look through these, right, but this is what I'm really expecting when we go through these, right, this is how you achieve a good grade, right, is you spend your time kind of explaining it, right, you add a little bit of character to it, you know, you try to get creative and make sure you explain all of your things. If you have any more questions, let me know, but like I said, this will be attached to Google Classroom as well. Thank you.